Guys, Super Ultra here. Welcome back to an unboxing video. Today we'll be opening up 4 CMF figures, but just came out in Australia. So yeah, I can't wait to get unbox these. So this is going to be part 1, and I just bought 4. And I got to be honest with you, I actually use this app online on my phone to scan the code here. So it tells you which one you get. So I got the ones I mainly wanted. But yeah. So let's unbox them. I'm really looking forward to getting the new Spider-Man 99 one. This is the one I really want to get. So yeah, let's unbox it. Oh, of course we're starting off with my favorite one. We got Spider-Man 1999, aka Miguel. So here's all the ones you can get. You can get all these, but yeah, let's build them. This is way better than the old one. To me, I think this is way better than the old one. There we go. So I got the one I mainly wanted. Pretty cool. Let's put this to the side. So, yep. Move on to the next one. Comes with an extra thing. So moving on to the next one. Oh, we got Miles Morales. Morales. Pretty cool. Moving on to another one. Oh, we got another one. We got this rock spider one. I don't remember his name. Just put them together. Yep. What is Can't wait to add these things into my city area. Look at this one. This is also a pretty cool one. Put that to the side too. We've got 2 more. We got Gwen Stacy. This one looks so much better than the one we have now. Oh, you can also just take her mask off. Look at that. Pretty cool. We have one more. Oh, her mask. And we got one more to open. I think this. Oh, it's the Crowler. So let's put this guy together. What is he owned? There we go. Now let's just put this mask on. And there we go, and it comes with a little and god damn it. And we have the Crowler. Pretty cool. But yeah. Pretty happy with the this opening. I got all the these are the main ones I really wanted to get. Especially this one. This is my favorite one. But yeah. Very happy I got all these. This is just part one. I only have, so I'm gonna tick off what we have. So we got Miles, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left to collect, and all these figures are going to be gone. I'm going to put all these figures when I get the rest of them in my city, and I'm going to put all these in my city after I finish this video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.